Our top 5. Best Knife Sharpener. One number product. Chef's Choice Trizor 15. Electric knife sharpeners aren't cheap, but if you're unsure of your skill with a trickier Whetstone sharpener, the Chef's Choice Trizor 15 is an excellent option. It'll keep your knife in exactly the right position, so you don't have to worry about creating a weird angle on the knife edge. It's also far faster than manual options, delivering a perfectly sharp knife in just a few minutes. 2 number product. Knife Planet Premium Whetstone Set. Whetstones are an older style of sharpener. They're slower but also much less expensive, gentler on blades, and after a bit of practice, easy to use. Whetstones are essentially blocks of sandpaper in different textures. You hold your blade at the desired angle, drip some water on the stone, and rub the blade back and forth to wear it into a sharp, honed edge. 3 number product. Utopia Kitchen Honing Steel. A honing steel is a pretty simple tool, and you should never need to spend too much on one, especially because you'll have to replace it every year, because the grooves will wear out. This particular tool is inexpensive, available in 2 sizes, and has a nice ergonomic handle. If you are willing to invest a little more cash for a sharpening tool, we recommend the thoughtfully designed Versalex Carbon. 4 number product. Mueller Premium Knife Sharpener. Definitely not. Your best option here is a Whetstone sharpener. Even the best Whetstones aren't very expensive, but you can opt for a double-sided one for under $25. The trade-off is the same as with any other Whetstone, it just takes a little practice to perfect the motion you need to use them. But the rewards are also the same. You can create a perfect, professional knife edge on a Western-style or Japanese-style knife, a pair of scissors, or any other blade in your home. 5 number product. Knife Planet Dual Grit Whetstone. You might notice some figures on a Whetstone, like those refer to the grit or little particles that make the surface rough. The higher the number, the more grit in the same amount of space, meaning, the higher the number, the smoother the stone. The clever design of this knife sharpening stone allows you to simply flip the Whetstone sharpener over to go from rough to fine. Thanks for watching this video.